So we have the C bracket. That's going to be, yep, so this is going to go on here.
Like this.
Yeah, right there. Anyways, this is going on here around the existing one, and then these bolts are going to go down with the washer. First I have to mount this guy on here. So before you even do that, you gotta mount on here. Which is right there. I'm sure you wanted this before, not after. It's a bit tighter there. Okay. Once those are done, we tighten them up, and then you put these two brackets around the existing.
Okay, but you have to mount the bottom part to this.
Okay.
So flip it upside down, and then this goes in there.
Do you need to put anything in? Nope.
No washers.
No, it's this one. With
Okay.
an angle.
It sits flush probably.
And then we need a hex.
Allen key.
Yes,
It's in the box.
Okay, where's the other flush one go? So you can adjust.
And I mean, there's some play there for adjustment, so you can move this. Depends where you need it, right?
Yep. So we're just gonna get it tight off so it's not loose. So it's not loose, the screw.
Yeah, but it's not tight.
Yeah, but I can still make adjustments if needed. Okay. And then you can tighten it up down under. So we have, this is gonna go on the leaf spring. This is toward the wheel. The ears are away from the wheel. We're going to use 2 bolts with 2 hooks. You got one?
On either side of that.
Yes. So the hooks are going to go like so and grab onto the existing one.
Yeah.
And that's going to go with a washer. Yeah, lock washer and that. Yeah. So you think this is long enough?
Yeah.
2 shorties. Shorties a 10 or what?
So these are for the other side, these two? Because it's all the hardware here.
Yep, so that's going to hold these guys. Oh yeah. Yep, that's the hardware for the other side. Has to be. Remember, you only do this once.
Unless you do it wrong.
That's what we're here for. So we don't do it wrong. So essentially that's how it's going to work. Right now we're going to leave it play, so we're going to have play to be able to...
So we have to install the top part first?
It doesn't matter.
Well, the top the top part has no adjustment, but the lower part has adjustment.
Okay.
So you have to install the top part first.
Okay, so let's do that. Should we grab something to tighten these up?
I got something in the box there. It never works, does it?
14 millimeter. We'll try you first. Perfect.
Because that's the biggest size we have.
Okay. Now these are loose on purpose. Alright, so we're going to put this one in first. So this goes in. We already did these. So let's cross these off. So these two are already installed. Next we're going to put bolts with washers on ready.
On these pieces right here.
3, 4, 5, 6, 4, 4, 8, 7, 8. So 8 pieces are going to go from the top, holding it down. That's wet.
All right. Go right here. Just because it worked the first time, it means it'll work the second time too. Very nice, very nice. What's up?
Where are the rest of the bolts? Oh, I see what you're doing. Because one side doesn't matter. The other side matters. Okay.
There's a line behind it that you're catching.
Yep.
Or is that on the other side too?
Should be the other side. No, but it's fine. It'll push.
Okay. You need to go under?
Yeah, it'd be great if you can. Hold on.
Line up.
Alright, can you hold it right there?
The line. All right. No, I got it.
Nope, the other way.
What do you mean the other way?
You gotta push away from me.
Push away from you? Okay.
Come on. Come on, fucking boy. Come on. Yes.
Yeah?
Yep. We Gucci. Alright. Now I just gotta start putting washers in to hold this motherfucker. So we put one side on to dry fit, and then we put the lip underneath the one side of the bracket. It'll fit, and then the other side we have to install after we mounted the SumoSpring part. It makes the job a little easier, but in this case we have a little bit of a struggle because there's a brake line on the way. So as we put each part in one at a time, you just have to be careful with the brake lines themselves. Nothing is worth doing.
Why aren't you wearing gloves?
I know. Should have done the back one. In hindsight, I recommend doing this side first and then plugging in the front where it's easier to see rather than the other way around. Because who wants to battle with a freaking... Don't talk about parking lots right now. I have some PTSD with my drone.
I'm gonna take that home and disassemble it. Imagine yesterday with all the wind.
Yeah, that would have been fun.
I would have crashed before we even got any footage.
Get better, it gets worse.
He said he'll put the beans separately and stuff to prevent it from sagging. Well, I have an air fryer at home.
That one needs tightening in.
Huh?
That one's good. That one needs tightening. You're good.
But it's
Alright.
making all sorts of noises.
Perfect. That's it. No, you're good.
Well, this is loose, like loose.
Up to you. I'll tell you when to get it. That should be good, bro.
You lock.
You mind your own business?
No. You lock the focus on the phone when it's recording.
You're here. Can you aim this?
It's aimed.
Right there?
Let me see. Yeah.
Okay.
Now it's not aimed.
No, I get it.
Oh, tighten it. Make sure you put it all the way in, otherwise you'll strip it.
If I can find the fucking hole.
No, I'm even tired of the jokes today.
Ow.
No one in pain.
Hold this J right here.
Okay, it's the J.
The J spot.
Yeah, why don't you put the bolt on the bottom and the nut on the top?
No, because the nut has the anti-slip, but the bolt doesn't. Get it? So the bolt can keep spinning, but the nut doesn't, I think.
Yeah,
I don't know, I may be wrong. This is too... Whoops.
Oh, you're going here. Let me hold it, let me hold it. Alright. No, go with that.
Even.
Even Steven? You have to hold the nut though. Okay. Similar.
Because the knees hurt so bad? I feel like I've been working all day.
That's beautiful. Beautiful. You think the hole is gonna match? Can you look at it with the camera while I lower it?
Yeah. Hold on, I'm going better aim.
Yeah.
Alright, go ahead. Nice. Squish.
Squish, squish.
Nice, nice.
All right. We're done for the night.
Sweet.